Chairman, Professor Congress, Senior Secretary, Peace Department, Pratik, Music Department, Satya. So, they gathered here for the reason it is not not predicted by anyone. So I will in my speech later on because of the schedule of principal, Sweet wants to give his speech. So I would like to request our principal sir to open his speech because he has other engagements in other departments. As you know, the payroll of multiple number of departments are being clarified. So I request our principal sir to give his speech.
Thank you, girls. Now I would like to request our Senior Secretary of PG, Pratik Das, to read the proceedings of our last seminar record.
Last evening till late night, I saw people in the market just because of this program. They were doing some shopping this and that, and I appreciate all of you for this endeavor. Coming to the PG fourth semester students, everyone knows that they are my beloved. They also know because when I joined in the year 2023 in the month of August, I joined here on August 29th, 2023, and when I joined, HOD sir told me that Dharma I was to PG खोला है मतलब बहुत खुशी लगा जब PG पढ़ेगा किंतु डर भी लगा कि PG पढ़ेगा तब मैं कहली हो सकती होती सर कहले तब क्लास स्टार्ट है तमें स्टार्ट करो कहली हो सकती होती काली तू क्लास स्टार्ट करो टाइम टेबल दे दे कहले देखो कोड़ा पढ़े पारिबो बाछि दो first class in the college as an assistant professor. I taught the first class of the first batch of chemistry PG. मैं बहुत सौभाग्यवान जे सेतबेले गवर्नमेंट ऑटोनोमस कॉलेज रे एमएससी केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट हुआ सेतबेले तार फर्स्ट क्लास हिसाब रे मो परि जणे तरुण तथा अनभिज्ञ लोक ताको आरंभ करथिले. थैंक यू सर फॉर गिविंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी. ସେଇଠୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଅନଭିଜ୍ଞ ଲୋକ କାହିଁକି ନା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞ କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରାୟ ଏଇ 1.5 ବର୍ଷରେ ଯୋଉ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା ମୁଁ ପାଇଛି ତାହା ତୁମେମାନେ ମୋତେ ଦେଇଛ ଶିଖେଇଛ ଯେ ପିଜି ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ପଢ଼ାଯାଏ. ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ନଥିଲି ମଝିରେ କିଛି ମାସ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେଜରେ ଥିଲି 2 ମାସ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ୟୁଜି ପଢ଼ଉଥିଲି. ବଟ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ୍ସ ଟୁ ୟୁ ଅଲ୍ you taught us how to teach PG. You taught me how to teach PG. क्लास को आसला डर लगे काले कौन पचार देवे से अधिक पढ़ी के आसु नोट्स करके आसु पिला को कहू नोट्स कर पिला न कले रागी की गाली करू आ थरे थरे नोट्स सामना फुबड़ी मते दो नियो नोट्स नो ये जे फोर्थ सेमेस्टर किंतु मोर सब गाड़ी भितरे मोर सब राग भितरे तमने से भल पाइबा देखिला आ ताकू वर्तमान पर्यंत तमान को हृदय में रखिछ सेथे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आज मु कहिनी जे दुख लागुनी बोली काहे सेटा मिछ बहुत दुख लागछ काहे ना मोर जो बैच था
learned a lot from you. I hope you also found some kind of joy and value in my classes too. This is one of those experiences I always cherish. This is your day. Come forward and share your stories, your experiences. I'm looking forward to hear them. Your juniors have put together a beautiful farewell. Enjoy this. And at last I will quote what your invitation card says. And if you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new life. So enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. At last, but not
जो मैंने आम सहित नैक प्रिपरेशन टाइम रे रहला जो मैंने हमको सहायता कला जो मैंने आमन को माने जेतबे को हम कहा जाय जे आम परीक्षा आ आम कॉलेज रो परीक्षा जेते होथिला सेही प्रिपरेशन रे तो माने हमको सहायता कला आज जदी आमन को कॉलेज एक्रेडिटेड one of the few colleges in Odisha which has got accreditation and autonomy status. So there your contribution lies and तमने से टाइम में हमको contribute करो not only physically but सतोरे हम तमनो class नहीं करनो complain नहीं करनो हमने तमनो course सारी बारनो और ना गला पर संध्या 4 रे डाकी के हम क्लास न उठलो एक्स्ट्रा क्लास नहीं की पाठ सारी लोग तथापि तमने कोऑपरेट करछो तेरे कंप्लेंट करना तमने होचा सेही गोल्डन बैच ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री you will always remember तमने होचा सेही बैच जो माने सब सारा माने कोनते जे रेस्पेक्ट दे सिचंते एई बैच भल पाइबा दे सिचन तमने मु जानि अन्य सार मान कथा मु पाइछि त से मु कहछि যথেষ্ট ভাল পাইবা যথেষ্ট রেসপেক্ট তমনে দেইছো আর এই জিনিস গুড়াক ଏବେ ବି ମନେ ପଡୁଛି ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ମନେ ପଡିବ so thank you all for being that golden batch who will always be in our hearts. Now coming to UG third year students. UG third year student ର ବିଶେଷ କ୍ଲାସ ମୁଁ ନେଇନି ବହୁତ ଅଳ୍ପ କ୍ଲାसेस ଗତ ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ନେଇ ନଥିଲି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପିଲା ଅଭିମାନ ବି କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଏଇ ସେମିଷ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ମୋ ଭାଗରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ସେ ଯାହା ବି ହଉ ଅଳ୍ପ ସମୟ ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ବଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଇପାରିଛି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଛୁ ଯେ ତମମାନେ କେମିତି ଆମ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟରରୁ ଥାର୍ଡ ଇୟର ହେଇଗଲ ଆମମାନଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ धीरे धीरे तुमମାନଙ୍କ ग्रोथ धीरे धीरे तुमମାନଙ୍କର मैच्योरिटी धीरे धीरे तुमମାନଙ୍କର अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़िला आ सब विषय तमे डिपार्टमेंट को सहायता करि आसला हमने जे भी जहां काम कर जेंती सर बोलथिले हमने मने पको शास्त्र एंड को आकाश गंगा तो पळे आस एंड देन यू ऑल आर देयर जो जिनसरा मु पीजी प्लान पे कोली सेटा तमମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ वैलिड जे जते हमें नाक पाई लढुथुलु जते हमें नाक पाई ट्राई करथुलु तार एक्रेडिटेशन पाई हमने सब चेष्टा करथुलु से टाइम रे तमन मथे हमको सब प्रकार सहायता करी हमको सहायता करछ सेही एक्रेडिटेशन पाइबा से ग्रेड रे पहुंचबा तो एई सब होछि स्मृति और अनुभूति जेहेतु जाउछ गुरु हिसाब से किसी ना कुछ निश्चय करेंगे जे तुम माने मैच्योर एनफ टू नो व्हाट इज गुड एंड व्हाट इज बैड कोटा मु करबा उचित और कोटा करबा अनुचित ताहा तुम माने बाय नाउ गाड़ी सारी न मु जानि कि आमाने केते आदर्श शिक्षक होई पाछु मु जानि आमाने तुमको केते इंस्पायर करि पाछु मु जानि आमाने तुमको केते पॉजिटिविटी दे पाछु मु जानि आमे तुमको केते एनकरेज करि पाछु किंतु एति जानिछि with the up to the mark करि न फेवर किंतु to some extent we all have tried our best to encourage you to tell you to do what is right to inspire you to run towards the goal and to achieve it through our words and through our works we have always tried it when principal sir was saying about Patnaik sir been given the responsibility of controller of examination. Now I see him as the controller of examination, and at the same time I have been entrusted the responsibility of the deputy superintendent of various examinations as of now. So now being a part of exam section, ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କେମିତି meticulously କରନ୍ତି. Even roll number କୋଉ room ରେ କୋଉଟା ପଡିଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ check କରନ୍ତି. Time.
Now I would like to request our seminar secretary of PG Pratik Das to read the proceedings of our last seminar report.
Good morning everyone. The last department seminar was held on 8 March 2025 under the agency of the head of the department, Dr. Preval Patnaik. A total of 47 students, both from UG and PG, attended the seminar. The resource person for the seminar was Dr. Prabodhata Hota, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Udal Degree College. He had delivered a talk on exploring the methodology and hypothesis in chemistry. The seminar was graced by the presence of the principal of the college, Dr. Subhash Chandra Gupta. The principal of the college congratulated and encouraged the department faculties and students for conducting a seminar. The vote of thanks was offered by the assistant seminar secretary. Today we are gathered here to observe the farewell ceremony for the final year students of both UG and PG 2024-25 of Department of Chemistry. I wish the meeting to be great success. Thank you.
As our beloved juniors and seniors step into a new world, we invite someone whose wisdom has saved many journeys here.
To express the department heartfelt appreciation and to inspire our seniors one last time, as students now. We now invite our head of the department, Dr. Priyavrat Patnaik, to address the gathering.
ତାର ସପ୍ତ ବନ୍ଧନ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା ଏହି ବିଦାୟ ଦିନ ବୁଝେ ନାହିଁ ଜମା ଏହି ଅବୁଝା ମନ ସମୟ ତ ଦେଲାଣି ବଡ଼ କଷଣ ଭୁଲି ତ ପାରୁନୁ ସେହି ଅଭୁଲା ଦିନ ତୁମ ସ୍ନେହ ମମ ତାର ସପ୍ତ ବନ୍ଧନ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ଛାତ୍ର ଛାତ୍ରୀ ପାଣି ପବନ ସମସ୍ତେ ଝୁରିବେ କେତେ ହୋଇ ମୌନ ସମ୍ପର୍କର ସେତୁ ବନ୍ଧ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲ କାହିଁ କମଳ ମନରେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲୁ ନାହିଁ ସମୟ ସାଜିଲା ଆଜି ବଡ଼ ଦାରୁଣ ଭୁଲି ତ ପାରୁନୁ ସେହି ଅଭୁଲା ଦିନ ତୁମ ସ୍ନେହ ମମ ତାର ସପ୍ତ ବନ୍ଧନ ପୂର୍ବ ସ୍ମୃତି ଜାଗି ଉଠେ ଆଜି ଏ ମନେ ବିଦାୟ ବେଳାରେ ଏହି ଦୁଃଖ লগନେ ଯେଉଁଠି ଥିଲେ ବି ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ରଖିବୁ ମନେ ଭୁଲି ତ ପାରିବୁ ନାହିଁ ସାରା ଜନମେ ସମୟର ଦାସ ସାଜି କଲୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ ଭୁଲି ତ ପାରୁନୁ ସେହି ଅଭୁଲା ଦିନ ତୁମ ସ୍ନେହ ମମ ତାର ସପ୍ତ ବନ୍ଧନ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା ଏହି ବିଦାୟ ଦିନ ବୁଝେ ନାହିଁ ଜମା ଏହି ଅବୁଝା ମନ ସମୟ ତ ଦେଲାଣି ବଡ଼ କଷଣ ଭୁଲି ତ ପାରୁନୁ ସେହି ଅଭୁଲା ଦିନ ତୁମ ସ୍ନେହ ମମ ତାର ସପ୍ତ ବନ୍ଧନ
Thank you, Subhasri and Group.
You are having your teachers in your department. So this is unique in the sense that, and another I forgot, I do not know another teacher in his absence here, I can say that Nilamadhav Padi sir, he is also in charge of the counseling and placement cell. right? He is doing his job. I don't want to go to the previous days, but I impressed on the thing that you are here for the interest of the students. You will not be spared if you do not perform your duty. And I see that there is a remarkable change in Nirmala Patil. So whatever is assigned to him, he was the first person, let's say, if I assign or if I issue an order or a letter marked to him, in the evening he will come with a notice. Sir, Salve gave this notice to students. So this is how he performs nowadays. So admission, examination, placement. So your department is having you are fortunate in that sense that you belong to the Department of Chemistry.
ଆମ ବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ସେ ସିଟ୍ କେ ପାଇବା କି ଗୋଟେ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ସିଟ୍ ପାଇବା ଟୁ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଆସେ ବହୁତ ଲିମିଟେଡ୍ ସିଟ୍ ଥିଲା ଟୁ ମଚ୍ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ୍ ଥିବେ ଭଲ ଭଲ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏତେ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ କଲେଜ ନଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ କଲେଜ ସେଟା ଉପରେ ବହୁତ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଟିକେ ଯେହେତୁ ସିଟ୍ ଖୋଲି ବହୁତ ସିଟ୍ ଓପନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଅଟୋନମସ୍ କଲେଜ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ତ ଏଠି ପାଇବା ଟିକେ ସହଜ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତଥାପି ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ସହଯୋଗ କଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଆହୁରି ଲିବରାଲ ଦରକାର ପିଲାମାନେ କେତେ ମାନେ ସହଜ କେମିତି ଇଜି ଉପରେ ପାସ୍ କରିକି ପଡ଼ିବେ କମ୍ ପରିଶ୍ରମ ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଥାର୍ଡ ଇୟର ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯୋଉମାନେ କେମିତି ପିଲାମାନେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତମେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମନେ ରଖିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନର୍ମାଲ ପାଥରେ ଯାଉନି ନର୍ମାଲ ପାଥରେ ଗଲେ ସୁବିଧାରେ ପଳେଇବ ଟିକେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ପାଥରେ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଆଚିଭ୍ ୟୁର୍ ଗୋଲ୍ ତ ସଦାବେଳେ ଅନେଷ୍ଟ ଉପାୟ ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ତମେ ଗେନ୍ କରିବ କି ଆଉ ଅନେଷ୍ଟ ଉପାୟ ଆଉ ୟୁ ସୁଡ୍ ନଟ୍ କିପ୍ ୟୁର୍ ପେସେନ୍ସ ଅନ୍ୟ କେତେବେଳେ ଅତୁତ୍ସାହିତ ହେବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ କହୁଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମୋତେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ୍ କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଲେଜର କୌଣସି ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦେବି ନାହିଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦେବି କୋଉ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦେବେ ନା ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଦେବେ ସାର୍ ମୋତେ ୱାର୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ରଖିଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଦିନ ରାତି ଗୋଟେ ନିଦ ବୋଲି ସେ କାମ ପୁଣି ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କାମ ସହିତ ଏ କାମ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପାରିବି ନା କାରଣ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଗୋଟେ ତମେ ଦିନ ରାତି ତମ ପାଇଁ ସମାନ ତମ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପାରିବିନି ସାର୍ ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ କହିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ପାରିବେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି ଆପଣ ମେକାନିକାଲି କାମ କରି ଯାଇକି ମେକାନିକାଲି କାମ କଲେ ଆପଣ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ପାଇବେ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବେ ଆପଣ କେତେ ଏଇଟା କି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଦେଲି ଏ ଖାତା ଦେଲି ଇଏ ଆସିନି ଇଏ ଆପଣ ଭ୍ୟାରିୟସ୍ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ମୋତେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ସାର୍ ଖାଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଦେଲି ଭାବିବା କଥା ମୁଁ ଶୋଇପାରିବି କ'ଣ କେମିତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିବି କ'ଣ କେବେ ଯାଇପାରିବି ନଥିଲି ତଥାପି 6-7 ମାସ ହେଲାଣି ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିନ କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା তুমি আস্তে আস্তে লাগুଛି ଜିନିଷଟା ସ୍ମୁଥ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତେଣୁ ଯେକୌଣସି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂରୁ ଟିକେ କଷ୍ଟ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଯୋଗାଡ଼ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଆକୋମୋଡେଟ୍ କରିଗଲେ ସ୍ମୁଥ୍ ଲାଗିବ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଏ ଗୋଲ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୁ ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେତିକି 7 ମାସରେ ଗେନ୍ କଲିଣି ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ମୋତେ ଅନୁଭବରୁ ବଦଳ ହେଇଯାଏ ମୋତେ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦିଏ ମୋତେ ଭୟ କରିବି କଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରେ ଭୟ କରିବି ସେମିତିଆ ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ଯା ୟାକୁ ୟା ପରେ ଥାର୍ଡ ପିଜିଟା ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ଯିବ ତ ଦେଖୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଠି ଆଟମସ୍ଫିୟର ଥିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଥିବ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ମୋତେ ଖରାପ ଲାଗିବ ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟୁ ଲାଇଫ୍ ବିଗିନ୍ ହେବ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ 3 ପଢ଼ୁଛ ଯଦି ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ତମେ କୋଉଠି କ'ଣ ପାଇଗଲ ତମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ନ୍ୟୁ ଲାଇଫ୍ ବିଗିନ୍ସ ସବୁ ଲାଇଫ୍ରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରି ଚଳିବାଟା ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଶିଖ ଆଉ ସବୁ ଗ୍ରୋନ୍ ଅପ୍ ପିଲା କହିବା ମୋ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ତମେ ଯାହା କରୁଥିବ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରେ ତୁମେ ଯେତେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ହେଇଥାଅ ଯେତେ ଅସୁନ୍ଦର ହେଇଥାଅ
First year UG
second year and UG first year who have organized this function in a very nice, wonderful and a beautiful manner. I have seen you all working for Hello everybody. Now you know what it's very difficult to express the word hello at the beginning and goodbye at last. This is the occasion. The occasion is something কিন্তু টাইম অ্যান্ড টাইম ওয়েট নট লং ସମୟ ବହୁତ ବଳବାନ আমি ଜାଣିଛୁ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆସିକି ତା ଆପେ ଆପେ ପହଞ୍ଚୁଛି ତେଣୁ କିଛି ଦୁଃଖ ବି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ ଏଟାକୁ କିଏ ଇନଭାଇଟ୍ କରି ଆଣିନାହିଁ ଯାହା ହଉ ଫେୟାରୱେଲଟା ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି it is another stepping stone for the outgoing students which are those who are going to build their career in another aspect of the field. ମୁଁ ଏତିକି କହିବି ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ outgoing ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ୍ କଲେଜ କେତେ ଥିଲା both extracurricular ଆଉ co-curricular activity ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାହିଁବି କ'ଣ କରିବି ମୁଁ ସଦାବେଳେ ମୋ ମାଇଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆସିବ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଶାସକୁ ଡାକ ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ଶାସକୁ ଡାକ ସେଇ କରିବ that means how can I forget that eloquence English speech that Shashwat always gives in our audience and this is the quality he gained from Path. Also, the amazing dance Vishwajit has performed in many occasions and other activities that are performed by many of our students of this department. Ulagin परिपूर्ण करियो से जे कौन सी टारगेट को अचीव करने की मस्ट नेवर हार्ड नो पेन नो गेन କିଛି नो पेन नो गेन ମାନେ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କିଛି ହଉଛି କିଛି ହବନି ଆଜିକାଲି ପିଲା ଏ ସବୁ କଣ କିଛି କପି କରି ପାସ୍ କରିବା ସେଟା କଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପାଇଁ that is enough କିନ୍ତୁ a particular life making must enough ଆଉ ତମେ ବହୁତ ସାର୍ ମାନେ କହିବେ ତୁମେ ଅଛ ଏଠି ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯୋଉ ପିଲାମାନେ ତାଉ ସଦାବେଳେ ଆମ ଆସିବା ପ୍ରକାଶ ହେବାର ଅଛି ସଦା ରହିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ମୁଁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ସେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଲୋକ ହଉ କି ନନ୍ ଲୋକ ହଉ ମୋତେ ଯେତେ ରାତି ସେ ଫୋନ୍ କରୁ ଯୋଉ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ଫୋନ୍ ମୁଁ ୱିଦିନ୍ 1 to 2 minutes ଭିତରେ ଫୋନ୍ ଉଠାଏ ଯଦି କ'ଣ ବାଇଚାନ୍ସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫୋନ୍ କରୁଥିବ ସଦାବେଳେ ଫୋନ୍ଟା ଧରୁଥିବ ତ ୱିଶିଂ ଅଲ୍ a bright future, particularly for you, and I wish all of you a bright and bright career. Thank you.
Thank you for your words of wisdom, sir. Thank you, sir.
To carry on your program as I have to attend another meeting in the Department of Odia. Thank you for the pleasant memory you are giving to us and enjoy the day, great viewers. Don't forget that in your success, our success lies. Thank you.
Moving forward, now I would like to request someone who always a guiding voice that lifts us high encouraging us to reach the sky. Our respected Bharat sir to speak a few words of encouragement.
विकास पानी रोटी के
Hello. Life is a journey and it has to end someday. It is a memorable for every student in their life. No one would I would say that at the final year student will be some kind of journey because they wait for their also. Sometimes they also feel very bad that they have to live in their institution where they have started fast. PG or PG for 2 years. For PG, it is special
students as well as the second year, first year and PG first year students who have gathered here and who are also waiting outside just because this hall cannot accommodate all of you. It's a very pleasant moment. Why I am saying pleasant moment? Because I see many beautiful faces in front of me and the arrangement that you have made in such a grand way that it actually astonish me. So at the outset, next thing is that today, just because shortage of time, you may be knowing that around 6 departments having annual ceremony on this particular day. So, giving justice to each and every department, I have to attend. So, I requested your HOD to give just 5 to 10 minutes for me, so that whatever I wanted to speak, I will be speaking to you in the beginning. The thing is that during your stay, you must have seen various ups and downs of your colleges, of your college. This is the day where you are here and you are going to bid farewell to this college, saying goodbye to this college, because you will be leaving this college and getting admission into various higher education institutions afterwards. But never forget, even if you leave this college is yours. Whenever you want, whenever you feel, whenever you come to Fulbani, the gates will be open and the doors of your department shall be open. I assure you that that will be the promise from our side. Next thing is that, as the member of your alumni association, member of department, you have a great role to discharge, a duty to discharge. What is that? From henceforward, you will be the alumnus of chemistry department and the members of this college, alumni members of this college. So wherever you go, whatever you do, I do not know whether you will be placed or you will be in charge of service or you will be joining a higher education institution, as I have already said. Spread the message that what you have learned here, it is your duty and responsibility that your college, it is in your hands. It is not always that whenever a visitor comes to your home, you do not say, you do not show him or her your washrooms. Do you? You make them sit in your drawing room. The drawing room is beautifully decorated, and whatever the positive things of your home, you show them. So this is what, this is that. I have got this kind of achievements. Whatever appreciation you are getting, you place them in your drawing room, living room. So your guests will see all these things. Forget about the bedroom and all the other rooms. You never show the washrooms to the guests. Similarly, wherever you go, there are, I know that certain things are there which could have been avoided, but we could not do that much effort. We could not give that much effort. But you may be noticing that something is being changed with the support of students, with the support of your teachers, and we felt that without the cooperation, the coordination, such things very hard, or you can say such things could have been very difficult to obtain. So as a result, I feel you can say sometimes I become very emotional that what could have happened if such kind of cooperation I did not get or I had not got from the teachers as well as the students. I have seen students physically labor hard while cleaning your, let us say, your laboratory, your rooms, classrooms during the time of lab visit. So that kind of involvement will take you as well as your college to the maximum height possible. So I can never forget that.
Had a beginning, and every beginning is a new. Every ending is a new beginning, and every new beginning has a new ending. We all are gathered here for celebrating the farewell ceremony for our seniors. Good afternoon all. I am Manisha Sahu from the UG second year, 4th semester. I would like to congratulate all of you for the farewell ceremony. This is a moment where we feel happiness and sadness both, because our postgraduate and graduate brothers and seniors are going to write a new chapter of their life, but the memories they share with us and the time they spend with us are always remain in our hearts forever. Our seniors who always are available for us in every moment as a brother, as a sister or sibling or like a family. The family which is called Quick Chemistry family. We are privileged juniors who always get the chance to learning, compassionate and be hardworking from them. From the seniors, I would like to say about Kaskar Bhai, who always ready any department work in every situation. The day I was coming in this particular department, the warming welcome they gave us, and today is the day it feels like yesterday they welcomed us and today we farewell them. So it is not the end of your life. Explore your life, write the new chapter of your life, and thank you all and write your happy life. Thank you so much and have a happy farewell. Thank you, Manisha.
Moving forward, now I would like to invite Subhasis from UG first year to share his thoughts.
Today is just a goodbye. It's a celebration of memories, achievement, laughter, and the bonds we have shared. While farewell may bring touch of sadness, they also mark the beginning of a new journey. Good afternoon to everyone, to our respected stars and our beloved seniors. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today on this memorable occasion. We have gathered here to bid farewell to our seniors who have been an integral part of our institution and who now embark on a new journey in life. Dear seniors, your time here has been marked by dedication, excellence and an inspiring sense of leadership. You have set high standard not only in academics and co-curricular activities but also in character and conduct. As juniors, we have learned much from observing your achievements, your perseverance, and your grace under pressure. What we call the beginning is often the end, and to make an end is to make a beginning. Your departure marks the end of one significant phase and the beginning of another. As you step into a new world filled with challenge and opportunities, we are confident that you will meet them with the same determination that you displayed here. That's all. Thanks and have a great day.
Thank you, Subhasis. Now the time has arrived to officially welcome all the PG final year students for one last time. They should introduce themselves.
Manisha, to share our feelings
କ'ଣଟା ଚାହୁଁଛ?
କାଟିବୁ ସେ ୱାଇଫାଇ ଭଳିଆ ଯାଇନି ସେଥିରେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିକି ସେଇଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ କମିଯାଇଛି କାଟିକି ମୋର ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ୍ କରିବ
बैच दैट इज गोइंग सारा कॉलेज रो नुआ ओडिसा एई सेई डिपार्टमेंट रो कोनो काम एटा सेटा सब काम ने के आस्तु किंतु एंटर द पीजी class and then you are relaxed. They are waiting for you with smiling faces. Although not doing their assignments, not preparing their notes, but still they are there with smiling face. That really is okay. I'm okay.
Most generally past they will have to struggle and work. But they have also much exam to the department, to the faculty of the college. And past में जुड़ा तो come on, we should do that definitely. For basically for PG batch, we are last year long time and final year this year also I will get the PG final year. You want to have done full money there. Mostly, whatever like one point is there, students are they are very peaceful. They respect the teachers. Other than this, whatever they are study part बड़ा important है. Nine things which we should take to prevent. Study is not that much important. Most important in life is we take to prevent.
मेरे लोग सर, भारत सर, तमन्ना सर, and Swati ma'am, and my dear student. A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you all the UG first year and second year student and PG first year student for arranging such a great farewell ceremony. And I will talk second year and UG third year student. This is not end. This is your new beginning and new beginning to your life. तो ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି, ଭଲ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ଅଛି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ
ঠিক করেছে বাবু ঠিক করেছে
make their life good. And I will suggest those who do not say bhala mark rakhi, but bhala mark rakhi कि तू आगो को भला करिया पे ताऊ गोटे जिंस कहबी जे जेते जल्दी भूली जीव जे मोर खराब मार्क अछि मार्क किछ कर जाय सेमती माने भाग्य कि भूली जीव जे mark is not the thing to take. Mark simply is more. But last thing for it, you the PG second year पिलानो class अटे नहीं, UG third year पिलानो class नहीं जी. They are very cooperative and both full student. Finally, I will say, wish you a very good life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Moving forward, it's time to hear some heartfelt memories of our juniors and seniors. From PG first year, I would like to call Jyoti to share her feelings with us.
ଆଉଛି ପ୍ଲେ କରୁନୁ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ମାର ପାସୱାର୍ଡ କ'ଣ କାଇଁ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
Dears and my all dear friends, today we all here gathered to offer farewell to our lovely seniors and juniors who they are
from the past few years, they have been gone through a
अरे पीजे रे पीजे कहाँ भूल पास में मरचू
and a
भूल पास में मरचू
growth,
देखो जो कभी दूरी पर
and
दिखी
they are being the integral part of many experiences. All of them are brought with so many ideas, challenges, and personalities that have been made a remarkable life in our college. From the very
कॉल कर
first
मत
day,
कॉल कर यूजी से
they have given us with a warm welcome with open arms, and they have suggested us in those things which we new and surprise for us. Many of the seniors have also suggested help in our academic studies. They all step into the next chapter of their life. We all pray to take all the laughter and the memories they have collected